I'm Cheryl Touchton, and at Pocket Full of Change Ministries, it is our hope and prayer that your pockets are mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and physically full so that you can love your neighbor as yourself. You know, the secret to doing that is the greatest commandment. Love the Lord your God with all of your heart, soul, mind, and strength, and to love your neighbor as yourself. For the past few weeks, we've been studying the steps from my book, Pocket Full of Quarters. Today, we're talking about Step 3, Embrace God, our soul, to His soul. We serve a risen Lord. Our Lord is bigger than anything we're facing. In Step 2, Pleasing God, our heart to His heart, we talked about the fruits of the Spirit that come to us when our heart is healthy. Now, here's the problem with Step 3. We know our Lord is risen. We know that He can overcome anything, but we forget. Bob and I are going through a difficult time right now as he's waiting for contracts to come in, and we're under a lot of stress. And most of the time, these fruits of the Spirit are just blooming and blossoming, but sometimes one of us wavers. And when one of us wavers, the other one wavers, and suddenly those fruits come plopping down onto the ground and they rot. Well, I decided I needed some time by myself. So I took a day, I ran some errands, and I had that kind of talk with God that just, you confess everything, and it was wonderful, and suddenly my fruits were blooming again. When I was headed home, it dawned on me that I needed to warn Bob. So I called him, and I said, Bob, my fruits are blooming again, and if you're going to mess with my fruits, I'm not coming home. He went to laughing because, you see, he had done a similar exercise, and his fruits were blooming again. Now, every time one of us wavers, we look at the other one and say, don't mess with my fruit. Today, we serve a risen Lord. You can read more about these steps in the book Pocket Full of Quarters. You can go to our website at www.pocketfulofchange.org. That's pocketful with 2 L's. And if this has helped you, we would love for you to make a donation to help our summer missionary journey. Thank you very much.